In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shadows in Canva 2025. Whether you're sprucing up text or giving depth to your elements, adding shadows can significantly elevate your design. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Canva. If you already have a Canva account, go ahead and log in. Canva is an intuitive design tool perfect for personal projects, professional presentations, or standout graphics for social media. Upon logging in, you'll find yourself on Canva's homepage, where you'll have the option to choose from a variety of design templates. You can select any design template that appeals to you, or start from scratch by clicking on Create a Design and specifying the custom size you need. Now let's start with adding a shadow to text. Click on the text option on the sidebar to the left. Here you can choose from a selection of text styles available, or add a heading, subheading, or body text by clicking on the corresponding button. For this demonstration, let's add a heading. Once your text box appears in the design area, type in the text you'd like to work with. Next, to add the shadow effect, look to the top of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Effects. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a menu on the side with various effects you can apply to your text. Among these options, you'll find Shadows. Click on the Shadows tab to see the different shadow styles Canva offers. You can experiment by simply clicking through the styles to see how each affects your text. Once you find a shadow style that fits your design aesthetic, Canva will automatically apply it to the text, giving it that desired depth and dimension. After seeing how shadows can transform text, let's move on to shapes and elements. On the left sidebar, click on Elements. This menu lets you search for and add a wide variety of elements to your design, such as shapes, lines, and graphics. Select a shape or element that suits your design. After placing it into your work area, simply click on the element to bring up the edit options at the top. Navigate to Effects by scrolling through the editing options and select it. In the Effects menu, just like with text, you'll find the option for shadows. Click on it and you will see various shadow effects at your disposal. Pick the one that complements your design best. Just like that, you'll see the shadow added to your shape or element, which adds depth and a touch of sophistication to your design. And there you have it, a straightforward process to enhance your visuals in Canva using shadows. Thank you for joining me today. Keep exploring and experimenting with different shadow styles in your designs. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Until next time, happy designing!